In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-post Reels using N8N. We're going to set up a simple, reliable automation that takes a video and posts it as an Instagram Reel with your caption and hashtags, all from within N8N. By the end, you'll have a workflow that runs on your schedule or when a new video appears in a folder, and it will handle the upload for you. Start by opening your N8N dashboard in the browser. This is where all your automations live. If you're using the cloud version, just sign in and head to your dashboard. If you're self-hosting, navigate to your N8N URL. Once you're in, click Create Workflow to open a blank canvas. Giving your workflow a clear name now helps you keep things organized later, especially if you plan to build more automations. Next, add a trigger node. This is what kicks everything off. You can choose a schedule trigger if you want posts to go out at a specific time or interval, say every weekday at 9 a.m. Alternatively, use a new video in folder type of trigger if you want the workflow to run whenever you drop a new video into a designated folder. Pick the option that best fits your process. If you're using a folder-based trigger, make sure it points to the exact directory where your videos will land. Now add an Instagram or Meta node and connect it to the trigger. Depending on your N8N version, you might see an Instagram Graph API node or a Meta Facebook node that supports Instagram publishing. Either will work as long as it includes the Reel upload action. Drag the connection from the trigger to this node so the data flows from the trigger into Instagram. Configure the node with your account credentials. N8N will guide you through connecting your account using a secure method. For Instagram publishing through the Graph API, ensure your Instagram account is a professional account linked to a Facebook page that's required for API-based posting. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm the connection. Finally, set the node to upload Reels with your video, caption, and hashtags. Map the video from your trigger, either the file path or binary data, depending on your trigger setup. Enter your caption text and include your hashtags at the end. Keep them relevant and consider using a mix of branded and niche tags for reach. Make sure your video meets Instagram's requirements for Reels, like the supported format and duration. That's it. With your trigger configured and the Instagram or Meta node set to upload a Reel with your caption and hashtags, your automation is ready to run whenever the trigger conditions are